All right, Dan, I want you to tell me why you bought Tesla and why you sold Tesla. And really it's to help you know, you're in a learning account. So, we really want to figure out, okay, why did you buy back here? You know, you saw it go up and you saw it go down, and then why did you sell over here? And so this is will be very helpful. I bought Tesla somewhere over here and wrote it up and wrote it down and still at a loss, but I'm still can possibly make a profit out of it using option strategies. If I just hold stock, whenever you buy it, you have a loss or a gain, so it's literally a 50-50 chance. So options, you kind of give yourself a little bit more probability, or you can take your screw yourself over depending on how you trade. So um, this is my chart. I haven't changed anything on this, minus my little wave counts going down here. Um, so this would be wave one, wave two, wave three, four, and five down, and so we have our wave going up now. So as you can see, my channel, if I just come back out here, my channel hasn't changed. And hide drawings, hide all Fibonacci's. So my channel hasn't changed on the weekly. So this is my big outlook of the picture. Now we knew Tesla was going to come down, and then if you go into the daily, we go, okay, Tesla came down. It almost hit the channel, so it's really close. Um, and now you see it all of a sudden gapped up 2 days, one day, and then today it's sitting here. So to me, the downside right now to Tesla is at 242.80 because there's a gap right there to fill. And as I always say, like back over here, I was like, well, Tesla's going to go back to 264. I just don't know when. And you have that huge gap that just took out everything. I mean, it just went all the way down. So um, now we're on the way up. So when is 242? When's it going to be back at 242? I don't know. It could be next year. But we do know that we also have a gap to fill all the way up here at 276. And now, if this is the bottom, if the market doesn't roll over and die, which it looks like it's not going to, we can run our new fib retracements right here. So we go to 291.42 to the top. We'll bring it all the way down to the bottom, 235. And I'll tell you, Tesla will go to 256.95. And then it could bounce down back to 248. And then it's going to go up to 270. And then from there, there's another fib retracement in here I need to put in, but it'll go there. And then we have our target of 306.59 and our aggressive target of 325.89. So now we'll wait for Ebola news over the weekend and all that jazz, and I will be talking with my room about the entry point. If I wanted to get aggressive on this, if I look at my 30 minutes and get aggressive on this trade, uh, this day actually would have worked, um, which was yesterday. So yesterday definitely would have worked. And you can see as in the 30-minute time frame, I have this Fibonacci retracement comes down, and you can start seeing the lines. So 38.20 is right here at 256.95, and it looks like this blue line is my 8-day moving average. It looks like it's going to get up there uh, probably today, to be honest, and it's not ever going to fall below this blue line. And so that's really strong. The trend is strong right now, and so unless the market fails, I don't see it coming back to 240 anytime soon. So I would wait for it to go to 256.95 and then buy it on a pullback, and that's probably about at this Fibonacci price of 23.6. So No Tesla. Oh, Tesla earnings for so we can sell some puts. Okay, so Tesla earnings are going to come up. So I'm going to sell put credit spreads, and here's my loss right now, and I'm always going to have a loss. That's unfortunately. So I have to figure that out. Okay, I think that Tesla is going to be at 256, whatever. So then I come up here and I'm going to sell at 250, 255, put credit spread. So I'm just going to sell that right away, 240. Confirm and send. And let's see if that gets filled. And what I could do right here, if I had the capital, I would buy this back, and I used it as for protection. And if I was around, I definitely know what day I would have bought it back, and I would still be in this. So this one's up. I'm up 307 in this, and since I sold this at 605, and it's up to 1025, I'm down 420. So I'm actually down 120 bucks. And so if I go over to analyze right now, you can see I'm always at a loss of $10. So that's what stinks. But if I obviously add this in there of sell and buy, and then go to risk profile, now I'm looking at plus, what else is in there? No, 255, 250. I'm looking at plus 230 bucks. So that's how I can turn back my profit. Now, yeah, look at that. My risk is 520 for 230. So, I mean, just look at this. 230 divided by, what did I say? 525. Divided by 525, right? I'm still looking at a 43% return on my money, if I'm right. So, what am I doing? I'm adding other people's, or I'm adding things to be right. Look, I got my wave count. Looks like the bottom's in. I got my levels. I think it's going to 256.95. Even if it just goes, sideways for a little bit and then bumps up, I'm still making money. If it goes to 263, I'm making money. If it goes down, I'm losing money. However, I could do something else, to sell something else there. So I'm just going to leave that out in La La Land, and it looks like I sold VXX. So anyways, that's that. And so really just take a time and say, okay, why did I sell here? Why did I sell here? Or why did I buy? Why did I sell mentally? And then you can come up with a strategy of what you want to do. One thing you can look at is you can look at products like this, market trend signal. I think it's 99 bucks for a year, and I thought about buying this, and they claim all sorts of percent wins, but you can do that at paper trade and see how you like it. And right now we're at a good buying opportunity as far as the market. So because this happened 2019. Ryan's happy, he's making money, and now it's going up. So now I really need to go long. And unless for some reason we go wave up and then all of a sudden we just barge down, and if we break this low, then gates are open. And so, yeah, this market could still fall through, but it's looking like it wants to go higher right now. And that just makes sense to me because everything that's going on in the elections and all that. So that's it.